Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. So starting out today, not starting out today. Everything's out of order, but at the end of the day, worked on this pipe right here, which is going from the roof down through the 6th floor, back up to the roof on the other side. So I had to do a offset up from one beam to the next, which was I think 12.5 inches. And then another offset. There's all these different beams at different heights. So offsetted back down, and that's where we ended the day. And then down on the 4th and 5th floor, making sure had to move these little temporary lights, string lights, and had to move those into the hallway from this room over here, which I started the video in. Then moving down to the 4th floor, took the Smurf tubes that I put in before. They got pushed up, so I had to pull those back down and stick them back out. If you remember, I mounted boxes originally outside, so they took those off, and they're just going to run Smurf out there for now and mount the box on the outside of the brick later. And then also on 4th floor, there was some coils of wire in the inside, and just drilled some holes and poked those out for the plugs down the road. So just stuck that wire outside, drilled some holes, and then there's also a third light, which I drilled the hole for going outside, and then also drilled the hole through the top plate. So that's ready for the Smurf tube tomorrow, which we did not have. So we'll be getting some more 3/4 Smurf tube, and then that is at the same height as the other two were that I just showed you. I only showed you one of them, but they're all going to be the same height, and then just have to stub that Smurf tube up and strap it to the wall like the other ones. And then lastly, actually no, not lastly, second to last, I worked on this for a bunch of the day. This was pretty difficult, just trying to get this just right. I had to punch a hole through that red firebox, drill a couple holes, screw that box to a box in the concrete, and then had to basically get to the wall, and I couldn't go from the right side of the box because there's already a 1/2-inch pipe in the way. So I just did a 90 and then kicked it down and then offset it back up, I believe, and then 90'd again in one piece, and then kick that down again to the wall. So it was a 5-point bend in one stick, and then just offset up to this column, offset back down, and I would have done a 4-point, but the end of the 10-foot stick wouldn't make it back to the wall. So and then at the end over here, they're going to flex over, so that's where I stopped it. And then lastly today, moved this contraption of some sort over a couple feet, left 2 holes on the right. As you can see, there's 2 holes on the right where we moved it, and then just drilled 2 new holes on the left and just took it all the way down and then moved it all the way to the left. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like. It would help me out a lot. I'd appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys back here tomorrow. I make videos every Monday through Friday, sometimes on the weekends. Make sure to check the description if there's anything else you need, social media, stuff like that, to contact me. Drop a comment if you have anything you want answered, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Probably be doing some gaming later if you guys want to hang out and play with me. That should do it. Peace out. Have an awesome rest of your day. Later.